Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to become rich. While becoming wealthy may seem like an elusive goal, there are certain steps that you can take to increase your chances of becoming financially successful. So, let's get started. Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step towards becoming rich is to change your mindset. Start thinking like a wealthy person and focus on opportunities rather than obstacles. Avoid limiting beliefs that can hinder your success. Step 2. Set financial goals. Set specific financial goals that you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and motivated towards achieving your financial objectives. Write down your goals and track your progress regularly. Step 3. Develop a budget and stick to it. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential if you want to become rich. It will help you manage your finances, avoid overspending, and save money for investments. Step 4. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Educate yourself on different investment options such as stocks, mutual funds, and real estate, and choose the option that best suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 5. Start a business or side hustle. Starting a business or side hustle can be a great way to increase your income and build wealth. Identify your skills and passions, and start exploring different opportunities that align with them. Step 6. Network with successful people. Networking with successful people can help you gain valuable insights into the world of wealth and success. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and seek out mentors who can guide you towards achieving your financial goals. Step 7. Continue learning. Finally, to become rich, you need to continue learning and growing. Read books, attend seminars, and take courses that can help you improve your financial literacy and gain new skills. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming rich requires discipline, hard work, and a positive mindset. By following these steps and taking control of your finances, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember that becoming rich is a journey, not a destination, and it takes time and effort to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new updates.